Learning is like building a tower. Block by block, each step gets you higher. Can you guess which phase we're about to decode? That's right, the explain phase. This is where everything starts to come together, and we finally see the bigger picture. In this video, we will have a closer look at the explain phase. Let's start. Did you know, studies reveal that 80% of students struggle to grasp new concepts if not explained clearly and not connected to prior knowledge. Hence, explain phase is crucial. It bridges the gap between curiosity and understanding, ensuring that students can make sense of what they're learning. It encourages students to consider their exploration and build knowledge of the topic. This is a teacher-led phase that helps students synthesize new knowledge and ask questions if they need further clarification. The explain phase consists of two parts. In the first part, the teacher asks students to share their initial findings and explanations from experiences in the engage and explore phases. In the second part, the teacher builds on students' ideas to formally introduce the topic, providing resources and information that support learning while introducing key scientific or technological concepts. Students then use this new information to construct or refine their findings. Hence, we can say the explain phase of the 5E model of instruction focuses on introducing new concepts and skills, building upon student exploration and engagement. Now that we know what explain phase is all about, let us explore some ways in which this can be carried out in classrooms. Teachers can actually guide students to a deeper understanding by: first, discussions. Lead a class discussion where students share their findings and ask questions. Second, lectures. Provide clear and structured explanations of the key concepts using visual aids and examples. Third, multimedia presentations. Use slideshows or digital tools to present information in an engaging manner. Fourth, concept mapping. Creating concept maps and graphic organizers to help students organize their thoughts. Fifth, live demonstration. Using models or hands-on demonstrations to explain specific topics. These strategies are simple to put into practice and can also be blended with one another. Now that we've explored the strategies, let's see how they come alive in a real classroom scenario. For example, in a lesson about magnetism, the explain phase might involve a teacher introducing the terms magnetic field, North Pole, and South Pole, and then guiding students to connect these terms to their observations during the explore phase. For a history lesson on the Indian freedom struggle, the teacher could use a timeline to introduce key concepts. This would help students link their previous explorations of video clips and artifacts to the struggle's main events and leaders. A pro tip for this phase can be letting the students be teachers too, by encouraging group discussions, peer teaching, or storytelling. And remember, explain phase is like watching a YouTube tutorial after trying assembling something on your own. You explored it first, and now the instructions help confirm what you got right and fix what you missed. Explanation helps them see the bigger picture and connect all their learning.